The United Nations is warning that global hunger is worsening, with over 780 million people now affected due to conflict, climate change, and economic instability. A major peace deal has been signed in Sudan after years of civil war, with both factions agreeing to a UN-led transitional government. Breaking news: 6.1 magnitude earthquake strikes northwestern Turkey. A strong earthquake hit Balıkesir province, Turkey, causing at least one death, an 81-year-old rescued from rubble, and injuring dozens. 16 buildings collapsed, and authorities have detained the contractor responsible for one of the collapsed structures on suspicion of negligence. Search operations are underway. In the U.S., federal